Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to create team onboarding docs with AI. First of all, make sure that you're logged into your ChatGPT account. Now you can write in the prompt, I have just hired a representative in my company and I want to create an onboarding document for him. He works as a CSR agent in our company in finance division. Now hit enter. Here you can see that ChatGPT has created an onboarding document for the representative which belongs to the finance division. It has mentioned key information in terms of name, job title, and the date where he starts the work. Now the job description and the tool which he will be using. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.